In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if Viagogo tickets are valid. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the Viagogo website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to your order history and open the order for the event you're planning to attend. This is where you can review the ticket information connected to your purchase and make sure everything looks complete. Next, carefully check that the ticket details match the event you intended to buy. Look closely at the event name, the date, the time, the venue, and any seat or section information. Even small mismatches can be important, so it's worth taking a moment to compare every detail. This helps confirm that the ticket is for the correct event and not for a different date or location. After that, verify that you received the tickets through the correct delivery method. For example, the tickets may arrive as a PDF download, or they may be sent through an official mobile transfer system. If your tickets were transferred using an official ticketing platform like Ticketmaster or Access, make sure you accept the transfer properly and then confirm that the tickets appear inside your account on that platform. This is a key step because valid transfer tickets should be visible in the official app or account they were sent to. You should also inspect the ticket itself. Make sure the barcode or QR code is clearly visible and doesn't look blurred, cropped, altered, or damaged. If the code is unreadable, that could cause problems at entry, even if the rest of the ticket looks fine. Take a close look at the formatting as well, just to make sure everything appears normal and complete. It's also a good idea to compare the ticket information with the event details listed on the organizer's official website. This gives you an extra layer of confirmation and helps you spot anything unusual. If the event organizer offers an official ticket verification tool or process, use that method to confirm your tickets whenever possible. Relying on the organizer's own system is one of the most trustworthy ways to verify ticket validity. If you notice missing information, incorrect details, or anything that makes the ticket seem questionable, contact Viagogo support right away. The sooner you raise the issue, the better your chances of resolving it before the event date. Finally, keep your confirmation email and order details until after the event has passed. Those records can be very helpful if you need support or proof of purchase later on. And that's how to check if Viagogo tickets are valid.